Hello, welcome to this week's Peeves, Tips, and Tricks, a holistic lifestyle YouTube channel, and I am Sherry Bainbridge. And today I would like to offer a personal definition of God, life force, energy, consciousness, whatever you want to call it, because there seems to be no standardization at all. And honestly, we are all talking about exactly the same thing. Don't all religions believe that we help each other out, that we get messages from the other side, right? That we have some sort of moral compass and ethical compass. So pretty much when it comes down to the very basics, what they're portraying that they're wanting from humanity is exactly the same. And I don't care if it's Eastern philosophy, Western philosophy, tribal philosophy, it all boils down to exactly the same thing. Now, if this is the type of content you're interested in, please do comment, and please let YouTube know that I'm here with the thumbs, subscribe, and notification. Thank you. So here is my definition of God. At the very, very beginning, there was absolutely nothing, right? Everybody would agree that life began from one little tiny something. What we do know is that things don't happen singularly. It's always in a group. So, here at the very, very beginning, there was something energetic that went, ooh, life, right? Ooh, life. This really is the absolute beginning of life. It is why everything comes back to love. And you can use the energy in exactly the same way that evil uses it, that those that perceive themselves as good use it, all using energy in order to influence, ooh, life. And for whatever reason, we are a part of that. Love. Learn to love, to care, have compassion. Not stupidity, people. Not to be walked on, not to be used, but to get wise enough that you learn how to manipulate energy in a way that it begins supporting you. Because your physical and emotional body will step up to the emotional and physical plate. You serve it every single time. Please have a fabulous week. Thank you for joining me this week. Namaste.